Have you heard about a new US law requirement to report beneficial ownership information, shortly BOI? This requirement may well affect you if you have an American company who must file a beneficial ownership information report, abbreviated as BOIR. So keep watching as we're going to talk about the BOI reporting in this and further videos. My name is Dmytro Druk. I'm an experienced international business attorney admitted to practice law in New York, Ukraine, and the US Supreme Court. Starting from January 1st, 2024, over 32 million businesses must comply with a new reporting requirement under the Corporate Transparency Act, shortly CTA, of 2021 in the United States. The CTA provides for beneficial ownership information reporting requirements. For compliance, companies must report personal information of their business owners to a new federal database of the US government. The CTA in particular requires disclosure of the beneficial ownership information from numerous corporations, limited liability companies, shortly LLCs, and other entities about people who own, control, manage, or file for an American company. So, if you hold or operate a US company, Uncle Sam wants to get acquainted with you. That's not a problem though. As long as your business is legal, you have nothing to worry about. Sounds good, right? The intent of the BOI reporting requirement is to help US law enforcement combat money laundering, sanction evading, terrorism financing, and other illegal activities. For these global purposes, on September 29, 2022, the US Department of the Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, abbreviated as FinCEN, issued a final rule implementing the CTA beneficial ownership information reporting provisions. This rule took effect on January 1st, 2024. Under the CTA and FinCEN beneficial ownership rule, the BOI reports must be filed with FinCEN. Don't mix it up with the IRS. The implementation of this new reporting requirement began on January 1st, 2024. To comply with this requirement, each reporting company must file a special beneficial ownership form, PDF or online report. It's like a beneficial ownership declaration. If you have any questions on how to report beneficial ownership information, please leave your comment below. In our further videos, we'll talk about the BOI reporting rule, terms to file BOIR, penalties for failure to report BOI, types of reporting companies, types of reported individuals, meaning of beneficial owners, substantial control, ownership interest, exceptions from beneficial ownership, company applicants, BOI report contents, FinCEN ID for BOI reporting, beneficial ownership information access rule, FinCEN customer due diligence rule, and other legal issues. This will, for example, help you determine whether you need to file a beneficial ownership report 2024. For further information on FinCEN beneficial ownership reporting and other US business law issues, please visit our website at bruklaw.com. To stay updated, just subscribe to our newsletter and YouTube channel right now. If you need legal help with your US company beneficial ownership information reporting, feel free to contact us at bruklaw.com.